Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos, we have just worked on many things. Like in the previous video, we have covered up our big project, and that was our social media app. And I hope you understand that project which we have just covered up. So today in this video, I will be telling you that how we will be working with Java. And today using Java, we will be building an amazing project. So moving forward, I will be telling you that what project we are building through Java. So I hope you'll be understanding this video. So here, if you understand this video and if you enjoy this, remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing projects using these all amazing languages. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that how we are building this project in Java and what project we are building moving forward in Java from start. So just like I've telling you that today we are building an amazing project using Java, and I'm not telling you what project we are building. So today we are building an expanding cart project, and I will be telling you that what are expanding cards and how to build this project using Java. So for building this expanding cart project, here you have to open your folder. So I will be opening my folder which is on desktop. You can see here it is expanding cards in Java. So I will be opening this folder and I will be moving to my main file. So this is my main file, and I will be removing all the things from this main file which we are getting, because we will be using our own stuff here. So directly I will be moving in this file, and I will be removing all this stuff. So here you have to save this. Here I will be giving the title as expanding cards like it was written. Then move to its file here, and here we will be styling this expanding card here. So I will be saving it. This is the font here. You can take it from Google if you want to use different font or the same font. I'm using this font. You can see this. So you can just take it from Google, or you can also use the different font as well if you want to use. Then I will be opening this file in my default browser, which is Google Chrome. So this is my folder and this is my file. Open it. So you can see now I have opened my file, nothing is here because it is empty and we have not written anything in this file. So I will be doing it side by side. So you can see now we have just done it side by side. Press Ctrl B. Now here in this body tag, we will be starting our codes which we want to write here. So I will be now writing here div class container. Then you have to now just give it the div. And here you have to give it the class as well, which should be panel active. And then you have to now just give it the style here, and in style I will be writing here background image, and yeah, write here URL. In URL I will be now writing here https slash, then I will be writing here images dot unsplash, means I should not be writing this URL. I will be taking it which I have from the file which I have saved here. So I will be moving here in my file, and this is my file expanding cards, and this is my main file. So I will be opening this file with the notepad. My mistake, I opened it with so I will be now just moving here, and then here you have to now just do one thing. Here I will be now moving in this file, and I will be opening it with my notepad. You can see now I have opened my file with the notepad here, and this is my image URL which I am getting. So I will be copying this image URL first of all, then I will be pasting this image URL here. You can see now we have pasted the image URL. After pasting the URL, you have to close this tag here, and then you have to now just do one thing. You have to move down after this tag, and after moving down you have to just now write a tag here which should be like h3, and here I will be writing explore the world like this. So here I will be writing explore the world. Now when you've written this, you have to move down after this two divs, and here I will be creating, or you can say after this one div, and I will be creating another div tag, and here I will be giving the class of only panel, and then you have to give it here the style. So I will be now writing here style is equals to background image, and you have to write here URL, and then you have to now write this single quote, and then I will be copying my second image URL which I was getting here. So this was my second image URL, so I will be copying this and I will be pasting it here. Close this tag, and I will be moving down after this, and here you have to give it here a tag h3. Here I will be writing explore the world again like this. Now you have to move down right here div class, and here I will be now just giving it parent class, and then you have to now just write here style is equals to, so here I will be now writing background image, and write here URL, and then you have to write https slash, or here we have to paste the URL of image, which is our third URL here. If I show you, so you can see this is our third URL here. So I will be copying this from here by pressing Ctrl C, paste it here, close this tag from here, and then I will be now just moving here in this tag and write here explore the world And after writing this, here you have to move down, right here div class panel. Again, right here is style background image, and you have to write here URL. In URL, I will be pasting my another URL. You can see here it is. So I will be now moving here, and then I will be copying this URL from here by pressing Ctrl C, and then I will be pasting it here. Now after pasting this URL, you have to move down, and here I will be writing h3 and right here explore the world. Save it here, and you can see if I just show you by reloading, so we are getting all the things here like this 4 images we are getting because 4 images tag we have just used here. So after writing these all stuff here, we have to now just do one thing. Here I will be writing div class panel, and here you have to give it here the style which should be background image, and then I will be writing here URL. In this URL again I will be now pasting another image URL. You can see here it is. So I will be now copying this, and then you have to paste it here, and here I will be just moving down, and then you have to now write here h3 in which I will be writing here explore the world like this. Now you have to save it, and after saving your file, you can see this was our last URL, and now we are not getting any URL here. So here now we have done with this. But after moving this in this tag here, we have to link our file. So I will be writing here script.js, which was our file name. I will be saving this from here, and then I will be directly moving to my style file, and here I will be doing it is styling here. So I will be moving down, and then here you have to now just do one thing. You have to now do the styling of it. So here first of all I will be writing this tag in which I will be now writing the box sizing, which should be border box. So here I will be now writing, then right here font family. So here I am using the multi font family here. So I will be writing here Moody sans serif. Then you have to write here display flex. So here I will be now writing here flex. Now after writing this, you have to close it. Right here align item center. So here I will be now writing like this, and here you have to write justify content, which should be center. Now you have to write here height, which should be 100 vh, and then you have to write here overflow hidden. Now you have to just move down, right here margin, which should be 0. Then you have to write here container and write display flex, and you have to write here width, which should be 90 vw. So here I will be now writing 90 vw. Then right here panel tag like this, and in this panel I will be giving here the background size, which should be auto 100%, and then you have to just now give it the background position, which should be center, and you have to write here background repeat, and here I will be now writing no repeat. Then you have to write here height, which should be height 80 vh. Then I will be writing here border radius, which should be like 50 pixel, and here I will be writing color white. Then when you've written this, you have to write here cursor pointer, and then write here flex 0.5, and write here margin 10 pixel, and then when you've written this, you have to write position relative, and you have to now write here transition, and in transition I will be writing flex 0.7 as ease in. Then when you've written this, you have to write here dash webkit dash transition. Then I will be writing all 700 ms, and then I will be writing ease in. Now here you can see we have just written these all stuff, and after writing this thing, you have to now write here the panel h3 tag here in this, and then I will be writing here the font size, which should be 24 pixel, and write here position absolute, and write here the bottom, which should be 20 pixel, and I will be now writing here the left 20 pixel, and write here margin, which should be 0, and after writing this, you have to give here the opacity 0. Save it, reload. You can see now we are getting the image here, but we are not just getting some of the things here. So I will be writing here panel dot active, and write here flex 5. Now you have to just move down, right here panel dot active, and I will be writing here h3, and you have to write here opacity 1, and write here transition, which should be opacity, and here I will be writing 0.3 as ease in 0.4 as. Then you have to write here @media max width, and in max width I will be writing 480 pixel, and here you have to just now write here container, and after writing container you have to now just give it here the width of 100 vw, and write here panel, write here nth off type, and then in this I will be writing 4, and here I will be writing parallel nth, and then I will be writing here off type. So here I will be writing 5, and right here display none. So here I will be now writing this. Then when you've written this, here you have to directly save it and then reload. And if I show you, you can see now we are just getting the effects here. If I show you, so this was our expanding card. If I show you, when I'm pressing enter, so our cards are expanding with the image. You can see this. And we are also getting the text which I have written explore world. So you can write different text as well here if you want to write, like I've written explore world. You can write any different text related to the image here. You can also put your own image here, and this is called the expanding cards. You can see this. Our cards are expanding directly by itself, and it is looking really awesome. You can see, so like this you can just build this expanding cards project here using Java. So I hope you understand how we have built this. So if you have understand this project of expanding cards in Java which we have built, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn, they can understand how we can build these amazing things using these all amazing languages. So just I'll be meeting next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, good. Bye.